Who are you?
I am developer of My Summer Car Game, and I wanted to make a YouTube video where I try to re-explain some things about the game and this is shit music. Of course, because this is radio. In radio there is shit music, and this is shit music. This game is all about realism, not about a fantasy of driving a driving a car. This is not fantasy game. This is realism game. And what games like Gran Turismo and Forza and Assetto Corsa and Project Cars and stuff like this, they are fantasy games. You are able to masturbate to cars and car culture and shiny paints and lifestyle that you're never going to have. This game is not like those games. This game is about realism. That's what this game is about. This is car game with realism.